بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين.
As it pertains to victory or tamkeen, people tend to measure matters in a narrow, ignorant understanding. They neglect essential facts while analyzing victory, and with that limited vision, they will deem a victory a defeat and then relapse in their faith. Some people may measure victory in tamkeen over a short span of time. Some may measure victory over a certain place or a certain circumstance. Some may not even understand the true definition of tamkeen or victory from a Tawheedic perspective. Some may not even look into whether a group or an individual is even worthy of victory. The comprehensive measure is to analyze the matter from a broader perspective in place and timing, and in understanding what the Tawheedic definition of victory really is, among other factors like coming to terms and accepting the fact that the sunnah of Allah on this earth is that the most severely tested of people are the prophets of Allah and those steadfast in their footsteps. Take Ibrahim alayhi salam as a just quick example. He was shackled and tested. His firmness and refusal to backtrack from Tawheed while he was launched from a catapult onto a pit of fire is the peak of victory from a Tawheedic perspective. Those who lack proper understanding may deem a man being launched into a fire as being a destruction or a defeat or humiliation. But muwahhideen understand and analyze and live and look at things very differently. When he was rescued from the fire, it was another separate victory. If he wasn't rescued from the pit, it would have been an ultimate victory on its own, because he would have died firm on Tawheed, living for Tawheed, standing up for Tawheed, and he would have been an example until Yawmiddin. Trials like being killed or imprisoned or treated with hostility or defamed could give acceptance to the message of some strangers on Tawheed more than if they lived hundreds of years exerting all their efforts and resources. Du'at, like the messengers, live for a cause, for uplifting the message and not for their own well-being. Allah may send a muwahhid what appears to be a trial, and to the ignorant, it may even appear as a defeat. But it may give the message of the muwahhid victory and penetrate hearts, fueling others to the guided path, unlike anything he could have ever done. And sometimes it may be means for his message to remain for generations and decades and centuries to come. It may even remain throughout history until Allah inherits the earth and whatever's on it. And there are many practical examples that can be mentioned. And from our vision, that's considered a tremendous victory. You need to also keep in mind that tamkeen in victory has many phases. It could be victory or tamkeen for those who are conveying the message of Tawheed. It may pertain to the defeat and annihilation of the enemies. It may pertain to the ultimate victory, the establishment of the rule of Tawheed supreme on this earth.